thank you so much for tuning into my video today. As you can see by the title, today's video will be me building my own backdrop, and I'll be also bringing you along with me to the fabric store, picking out different fabrics for my background. I'll let you know the prices, how I hook things up. So yes, if you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go. Hi everybody, so this trip started out, I went to Lowe's. I picked up some PVC pipe, 3 of them, and I picked up some elbows and T-joints. I think that's what they're called. Some elbows and T-joints. They were for $1 and I believe 26 or 36 cents. So altogether I got a saw, 6 1-inch elbows, 4 1-inch tees, a saw, Sharpie, and some measuring tape. I also picked up 3 1-inch PVC pipes. I don't for sure know the length. I have my measuring tape here. The first measurement I make is 3 feet. I'm going to mark that on each of the PVC pipes at 3 inches. Okay, now my second measurement is going to be 6 feet. I'm just marking where I'm going to be cutting. And my first cut, like I said, was at 3 feet. My second cut was at 6 feet. And now you see here, I'm just cutting this PVC pipe. This saw was trash, but I got it done. It really gave me a lot of trouble, as you can see. But we got it off in the end. Okay, so the cuts I made, I have 4 3 feet, 2 4 feet 2 inches and a half, 4 1-inch PVC pipes, and those are the 6 elbows and 4 T-joints. And I'm just gonna grab one of those 1 inches and insert it into the T on each end, making sure that that T is facing upwards. This will form our feet. I'm going to do this twice. Adding on that elbow at the end and another elbow at the end. And this will form the bottom of our stand. The T should be facing the top. And I'm just going to repeat that step. Oh, right now we have our 2 bottom stands. Then I grab one of those 3 feet PVC pipes and I insert that into each of the T-joints. And I'm going to repeat that for the other one, grabbing another 3 feet pipe, inserting that into the T. These are our bottom legs of our stand. Now I'm just going to add another T-joint. This T should be facing the inner portion of the stand, if that makes any sense. You'll see once I put it together. It should be facing in. How those T's are facing each other on each side. We need those facing inward so that we can add in our other PVC. I'm going to insert this 4-foot PVC pipe into those T-joints that are facing inward. And as you can see, we are halfway through with the stand, and now I grabbed another 3-foot pipe and I start inserting that on each side. So all together our pipe should be 6 feet. I grab another one of those 4 inches PVC pipe and I put elbows on each end and I insert that on the top, and that completes our back stand. It's really simple. It was pretty cheap. It wasn't too much, and it's perfect. It is 6 feet. Alright, so today we're gonna head to the fabric store. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me while I pick out some fabric for our backdrop. So that should be fun. So as you can see, it's a couple days later. A whole new look here, everything. But so yeah, we're gonna go to the fabric store and I will come back to you guys. Okay, we made it to the fabric store. I love this fabric store. It's my favorite spot to go to. They have so many different fabrics and it's organized. The people here are very friendly. Look at all these colors. They're so bright and vibrant. I love it. I was really loving these glitter fabrics, but I decided not to get the glitter fabrics. They were really expensive. So I decided, since we're just starting out, we'll just keep it simple for now. Okay, y'all, so we finally made it. It has been a couple of days. I took my time making this video. I don't know why. We'll just chalk it down to pure laziness because I ain't feel like doing nothing. But yeah, we finally got it done. We're here and I'm going to show you guys the different backgrounds that I got. So the first one that I got is this black here. It is 2 yards long and 1.3 yards wide, and it was $5.99 per yard, and so that was $12 for this one. And yeah, this is the first one I got. It's cute, ain't it? So I decided to get, you know, completely dressed and beat so we can get the full effect on how this is going to look. And I must say, I am loving it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So okay, anyways, let's get to these other fabrics. Okay guys, here is the purple background. This one was also $5.99 a yard. I got 2 yards, so that was $12. Ain't she cute? I'm loving this purple as well. I think I made a good choice. Don't you love it? These is giving me, like, it's so much motivation. It makes me want to record some more videos for you guys. I mean, okay. I can't wait to get like some little sparklies. What are those things called that people have? The fairy lights. Yes, the fairy lights, to go back there and get it all blurry and looking cute. I can't wait to try that, and just a bunch of different other stuff. Okay, so to the next color. Oh hey y'all, this is background number 3. This is a pink background. It's very pretty. It's matching me today. I like this background as well. Don't y'all like it? It's cute, right? Kind of matchy. I think it makes my skin pop out a lot more too. All three, the black, the purple, and this pink one, were $12, $5.99 a yard, $6 for 2 yards that I got, and I'm loving how it looks. I think this really makes my skin pop a lot more than the other ones. It's brightening up everything, and yeah, I love it. I think it's really cute. This is the 4th fabric that I bought. This one was $14.99 a yard. So I don't know why, but it was. I did not plan on getting this background, but I got it just in case. This background is really good for like special effects if you want to have some extra, like a different background going on or whatnot, but it's kind of wrinkled. I need to see about, you know, how to straighten that out. Okay, y'all, so we're back to the black. We've made it through the video. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for today. I hope that you guys were able to hear me. I am new to YouTube, so I don't have everything yet, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Baby steps. Humble. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do not plan to disappoint. So yes, hit them buttons. Like, comment, subscribe. I might try to do something fancy in here. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So thank you. I hope you guys were able to hear me. I'm sorry for not looking at this camera, y'all, because I have to get used to looking at this little dot and not looking at myself. I know y'all hear that a lot, but it really is hard because I really just want to stare at myself right now. But I gotta remember, I'm talking to you guys. I'm talking to y'all. You see how I keep looking over there? Just stop. Just stop. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.